Yeah, come with me.
Yeah, okay.
Go down there. No, come on. No, please don't.
That's like the biggest mess ever.
In the mess you find treasures.
Okay, so E36.
E36 parts.
Got all the parts.
All the parts.
Lots of parts.
Lots of parts.
So
it's over, dude.
Are you racing 24 Hours Classic this year then?
Easy.
Easy. All right, on that note. George, will that fit you?
I'm still middle, dude.
What do you think?
Anyway, we also have a big shipment from Hard Race, but we're gonna save it for the end of the video when we're gonna do the unboxing and installation at some point soon. Actually, we also have lots of tuning happening here. We're gonna go to the car park because it's actually the first week that TF is happening during the week, so maybe we're gonna spot something, I don't know. Oh yeah. So, welcome back to the TF car park. You can buy some lap tickets, but we can actually do a lap.
Do you have battery?
No.
Yeah, well, it's 200 kilometers, so we can do a slow lap. I don't know, we could have. Nah, let's not do it. Let's do some car spotting or something. Fancy color? My M4. Well, not my M4, but the license plate says so I guess it's my M4. Anyway, right now it's like one of the best days of the year where you can do laps because there's actually no people, no traffic, no nothing. And it's fantastic. Gio, when are you doing laps? Hello. It's freaking cold. It's way too cold. Julia, one of my favorite cars to drive. I think I still have a GTA M that I need to do. Yeah. It's freezing and my hands are completely destroyed from the cold because it's like the Eiffel cold. Just doing some complaints.
It's closed.
Ah, shite!
Yeah.
Mate, this is not good. Oh look, M3 Touring is swapped for the normal M3 and get speed. GT86. Pretty. The car. Oh, a bathroom. Didn't see that one. Should we go back? It's dead. Yeah, it's cold. Oh.
We're just making sure it's safe and fun for the people. We're gonna make his day when we put these bushings in his E36, which is what everyone wants to see. Theo lapping that E36.
Are you putting the bushings in?
And not me physically for his well-being. I think it's better if I don't touch them. But like track speed as an entity.
Ah, can you put bushings in my Civic?
There you go. Yes. Okay. On that bombshell, I pass it to Labrador.
Oh, nice CRS. Nice. We're back at Vulcan Alpha, and as promised, we are going to do some unboxing because Hard Race, and actually Hard Race Australia, thanks to JDM Yard, has sent me, I think, pretty much everything when it comes to Hard Race products you can get for the Civic. We have Dan on the floor here, actually sneaking out of the shot. Why do we have full slicks here?
It's from the E36.
Ah.
It's a race car, dude. What are you talking about?
Alright.
He's doing illegal racing.
Illegal racing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do some unboxing to see what kind of stuff we have. I'm just very curious. Yeah, and even though the car will definitely lose its full street legality thing, I want to enjoy it in TF the first couple of months. So we will be doing some upgrades soon. But yeah, what do we have here? Oh, look at that brace. So that's, I guess, for the front, yeah. So we can have less flex. Actually, my AST cage has been shipped 2 days ago, I think. No, it was Sunday. So we will have also the front cage go to the front towers, so it will be very rigid. Then we have here the subframe brace set. Ah, that's the main thing that all the EG owners install on their car. So basically, this is the rear sway bar, but you cannot mount it just like that to your subframe because subframe is made out of noodles, glass noodles actually, and it will be ripped out with the sway bar together. So that's why Hard Race is making this reinforcement plate that you install on the subframe, and you can actually, well, survive having a lot more stiffer rear axle for fantastic lift up oversteer. Entry into unannounced forest is going to be fantastic and fabulous. That is this, one of the most handling transforming components. Then let's go with the smaller box. Ooh, it's heavy box. Oh, those are, I think, the real trailing arms bushings. Lots of rigidity, more shiny parts to install. What does it say on the chassis steering alignment? I think that is for the lower control arms, probably. Nice. Then we have one more box. Chassis steering alignment. Universal stabilizer link pillow ball. Nice. Actually solid. Pretty. Then we have Civic EG, Integra DC2 and Lancer 2001 stabilizer kit. That's for the front. Then we have final box inside the box. Those are actually front lower control arms, stock-ish reinforced. And I'm not sure if they come with geometry change. We'll have to see, but it's always good to have new stuff. So funny enough, and very cool from Hard Race, they have actually different version of this, which is tubular, so much lighter, etc. Fancier. And I asked them, like, why can I not get that? And they said, because we haven't tested it on such a hard track as the Nürburgring, so we don't want to give it to you. You can have it, but better not. I'm like, you know what? I like your approach. I'm sure we'll be fine with this. So, yeah. Yeah, big box for just a sway bar, but very important, of course. And then we have the final box. Oh, a very heavy one. And also lots and lots of parts inside. Front upper adjustable control arm with the extra camber adjustment, so we can go full stance nation, which we already are actually. Front caster adjusting kit. Okay, those are just like bolts, not too exciting. Then more bolts. Ah, those are the studs, like elongated studs, wheel studs. So we can go full racing. 3 more boxes. Oh no, not 3 more boxes, a lot more boxes to go. Damn. Rear toe control arm. Ta-da! Then rear camber kit for more stance. Nice. That car is going to be so different. Then tie rod. Ooh, nice and shiny. Rear lower arm, aluminum. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, damn. And then for the final box to be unboxed, lower control arm, OE style pillow ball, 2 sets. That's really heavy, but I guess it must be, so it can withstand all the Nürburgring curbs. Take the Foxhole curb in style. And is it solid? Yeah, solid bushings on the rear. And that's about it. So one more time, thank you JDM Yard from Australia. I really hope I get to go back this year for the World Time Attack. We have any more boxes there that we actually filmed previously. Maybe you can insert all of those showing offs in that video, because then people can see what we have coming up and we'll be installing once we have engine and papers, but that should be in the next couple of weeks, and then we go crazy with all these mods. We have a lot more coming that is not here, and that is not coming yet, because I'm still defining, do I want ITBs, do I want to have a normal manifold, do I want, I don't know what I want. I want to have fun, and I'm sure we're gonna have a lot of fun with that project. Okay, so Zestec Racing, it's a steering wheel for the Civic, I think. Carbon fiber racing steering wheel. Oh, everything for the weight reduction. 460 grams. Constructed from aerospace grade T700 carbon fiber. Nice. And Vulcan para. A lot of people have reached out to me asking if I want to sell the steering wheel that's on the Civic now, because apparently something very special. So, not yet. Ooh. It weighs nothing.
Looks sick.
It looks nice. I like it. Feeling is okay. I think it's good. Just need to see how we're gonna fit it, but it's really light. Huh. Two last final boxes, and very important ones from our friends from Italy, Dia Fantincendio, that are responsible for all the fire suppression systems and also fire extinguishers. Alright, so we have two systems here. I have in total 3 fire extinguishers. The reason for that is I want to show you the difference. This one is with foam. So if you need to extinguish the fire, foam gonna come out like you know from like traditional fire extinguishers, and the problem is it leaves a mess, but better to have a foamy mess than having no car left at all. The good thing about this is that it's just 100 euros, but as you can see it's also a bit bigger. I think the weight is identical, but because foam of course needs a bit more volume, it's a bit bigger, and there is that. This gas fire extinguisher is 440 euros, almost 5 times more expensive. I mean, more than 4 times, because not just 400 but 440, but it's just of gas. So first of all, it's also more compact, it's smaller in size, which is always important for race cars or track cars. But if you need to use it, it extinguishes the fire through gas, and therefore it does not leave any mess. In addition, I have here a spec cheat sheet. So the Gas One Pro is lightweight, it's residue free, it's versatile applications, premium materials, but yeah, it's higher cost. And this one, it's lightweight, still lightweight, affordable price, and effective on solid and liquid fires. The cons, however, in addition, is it has also environmental limitations. So the foam can be less suitable in very cold or damp environments. Well, which is actually the Eiffel. It's cold and damp all the time here. So that is the way of choosing. But again, if you are on a limited budget, better to have 100 euros fire extinguisher than no fire extinguisher at all. Therefore, it makes sense. But I will be installing the gas version in both the cars. So one in the Civic, one in the Mustang. And later, we will go completely fire extinguisher, FIA, fire suppression system. But for the start, this will do. Hopefully I will not have to use it at all, but if I have to use it, then it's good to have at least something small on the spot, or maybe even help use it someone else. We had these scenarios when you drive and there's a car on fire and no one has a fire extinguisher, so this makes sense. And before Gio edited and I published this video, more parts have arrived, and we decided, you know what, we might as well include them. So AST roll cage, because a lot of people have said like, hey, this car is kind of unsafe, you should make sure that you put a cage in it because it's like a tin foil. I know, I'm also married and I'm a dad now, so I like need to value my life a bit more. And so before I even bought this particular car, because I knew I was going to buy an EJ or EG, no, I want to go EJ, I already ordered the cage before I bought the car, so it's actually arrived here in time. This, however, will be fitted later, because I want to install also other upgrades together with the cage, which include carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber whole body kit probably as well, many other supporting mods, probably fuel cell, something that we can do instantly in the same go while we already have the whole car disassembled. So that will wait a bit. Then we have here tilt seats that you may know from our Speedster / VX220. But since the car is in pieces right now, I'm gonna use them this season myself because they're freaking awesome. They have all the branding and they match. He's spooning. He's spooning.
I am.
Anyway, on that interruption note, I've ordered new sliders from SW Motorsports from UK because they make those sliders for EG Civic, which is essentially the same for tilt seats. So they should be arriving here soon. Cannot wait to install those together with harnesses that I still need to buy. And here's another package that I've been extremely excited for, but it was stuck at customs for like, I don't know, 3 weeks or so or more. Acuity Instruments is a company that has been founded by 2 former F1 and LMP1 engineers, so they know what they're doing. The shifter, the 4-way adjustable performance shifter. I drove it in the EK4, I think, 2 years ago when we were chasing M2. One of the best all-time K-swap videos I've ever done, and I think that car had it installed and I was completely blown away by it and very happy. So therefore, this is going in the car together with some more goodies. This is the adapter plate to fit it actually in the car. In addition, we have some beautiful, look how it all looks. We're doing some unboxing here. Ooh, that's a heavy nut. Lapo dislikes my choice for the titanium look.
White, Delrin.
What?
White.
White? I like it. The level of detail is very nice. You wanna see? You wanna touch? You wanna feel my knob?
This is what I have to deal with every day.
How does it feel?
Feeling knobs? Good, feels good. It's actually very good.
It is. This was very important. By the way, shout out to QT guys because they watched my unveiling video and they looked at the engine bay and they said that the cables that I have installed from the current shifter on the gearbox are twisted the other way around. Therefore, if you may remember, I thought it was a 5-speed because I couldn't put it into 6 at all. But later we found out that this is a 6-speed because it needs to be. It's an NP3Q gearbox or something along those lines from a Type R, obviously, and they are always 6-speed. So yeah, we're gonna change the whole way the car shifts to shift even better. Where is the, here we go. Here's the other part I want to show quickly, the PPMS harness.
Bro has a 6-speed and then didn't know, thought it was a 5-speed, and I thought I had a 5-speed instead it was a 4-speed.
Yeah, we know what we're doing. Inspect if broken. So it's not broken, but we are going to break the seal. Oh, oil cap. Very nice.
Oh, it already has a
Oh,
flippin' purple O-ring. This is
custom.
yes.
Big spec.
Need to order quantity.
Yeah. Well, as you can see, it works. It's amazing. What's this? Titanium care instructions. Oh, and even how to instruct. Really, level of detail is amazing. We can take notes for our packaging material. And we also have K-Series high flow fuel rail, because I'm sure we're gonna put lots of fuel through it. Not gonna go turbocharged yet, but fuel is something very important, especially in high performance engines, because if you're gonna have fuel starvation, you have a problem. And yeah, therefore never save money on the fuel system. Never save money on anything actually, because motorsport is being one where all the components are top notch. But yeah, sometimes people really overlook the basics. All right, sorry for the long unboxing video, but I think you're happy. We will start installing those parts in stages, and I will start installing them soon because there is something else I need to do to the car that I cannot tell you yet. But you will figure it out once we start doing it. So, very secretive, very weird. Is it sketchy? Maybe, but we'll be very transparent about it.